How to fix DeepSeek China failed. Let's get started. DeepSeek has faced large-scale malicious attacks leading to temporary registration limits. Existing users can log in as usual. In this guide, I will be providing you guys some troubleshooting steps. First, what you can do is navigate to the website of DeepSeek. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, navigate to the DeepSeek website. Instead of using the China process, what you can do is use these options given over here, login with Google. This option will get you login without any issues. Next, instead of using Google, you can use the mail like Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail. Some users have reported delays or non-receipt of codes with certain providers, and switching have proven effective. These kind of disruptions are temporary and will be resolved shortly. So you can have patience and wait for hours and attempt the registration process again. Also, you can download the DeepSeek app. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Then, from here as well, you can try to sign up. Likewise, here you will also get the option sign in using Apple ID. You can use this option and get registered on DeepSeek. So this is how you can fix DeepSeek China failed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.